This is Paul Wett with www.wetttraderllc.com giving you the midweek support, the midweek report ending what is going to be on Friday. It's going to be the 29th. So this is going to be the ending the 29th. Like I said, folks, we're trying to bang out this high and low here. We mentioned last week we had this 2105 right here on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a significant high, 5-bar high. My software will use this letter now to start moving time forward to see where the probability is for a 5-bar low. See if it happens on a trade day or before the trade day. Now, our resistance numbers, like I said, folks, we have our weekly is 2108. Our monthly is 2101, 7502. We hit 5 1/4 for the high so far for the month. Low is 2026. PP, folks, I've mentioned this. Bye. So from here, like I said, we're probably going to go a little sideways. We're looking like we're trying to put in a high also on the weekly chart. Let's pull up the weekly chart. I'm a visual guy here. Let's pull up the weekly and see what we had for the weekly. It's a big, like I said, I still feel that this is going to be our fifth wave. We're going up, still making higher highs, higher lows the whole way. I'd love to get a lower low here to have another opportunity to buy if we get back down here. I'm not sure if we will or not. But I do see a couple things, folks. And let me show you if you want to try to make some money today, tomorrow. This is looking like a head and shoulder support area here, folks. A head and shoulder. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. This is the head down here. Then we got the neckline, which would be right here, which is pretty significant here. Breakout, pull back. If this is true, folks, if this is true, we will be getting this thing. The high here is 91 1/4. The low here is 80, 75, 81. It's about 10 points. We could rally 10 points from here and try to retest this 05. So that's what it's going to look like, folks. To me, it's going to be a retest. Now, this is really close. It's really, really close. 2071. 20 points. It could go to 11. 11. That's a 10. That's a 20 point from the low of 71 to the high 91 is 10 points. So you add 10 points, or 20 points, I'm sorry. Long day, 20 points. It's going to be 2011. Could penetrate this up and through here. Or we could bounce up in here, make a big triangle, and then go fifth wave. I still think there's a probability we'll be going to a fifth wave on this. Now, like I said, the software's been getting beat up a little bit. And like I said, we just run this thing. Here's a perfect example. This is Fed. Now, these are my standard. If you can see here when it's all choppy, there's special settings. I didn't set them. But right here, when we use the spread, it will keep track and not get you in and out when the market's going sideways like that. Also here, this is a 1321. Always before the Fed announcement, you want to try to get to 818 for sure because this one bought it. That 20 would have bought it as well on the 818. Would have bought it right here because the 818 crossed here and this was a pullback. There was a buy right there. And that buy, let's show you how it really works in the big boy world. Here's another buy. Like I said, you want to buy the PP or you want to buy the S1, which is support. So for, see, S1 and PP, 81, 82. Now for 426, you want to go the day before. See, now this is 427. This buy right here was 81, was 2081. On 427, you'd use the 426 data right here. It's plus or minus. The PP was 81, was 85. That's 3. And S1 is 3. So when you get 3 and 3 here, that's a pretty high probability right in the middle here. You got a time day here. You got a possibility for a breakout. We did go to the 79. And we stayed in the 91, then 92 again. So the market's just range bound here, folks, in this little 20-point range here. We're going to break out. We're going to go one way or another. If we can't hold, now we got the 5-bar high in there. We still didn't get a 5-bar low. If we get 2 highs, high probability that's going to be good indication we might get a pullback. I still think we should take those highs out at 21.34. Get the demo, guys. We're going to be setting up for a big launch. Soft launch in June. So you get a really good discount on some of our things. So try the demo, folks. www.wetttraderllc.com.